Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing well. When you jump on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay, and let me know when you've seen this. Like and follow my business page. Check out my BIB group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk, BIB. You can also check me on YouTube and Instagram. And check out tellystalkinchalk.ca for all my finished pieces. Well, maybe not all. But if you've been watching over the last couple of days with all of my videos, you will have seen 90% of what I've got going. So, let me get this shared out. And I will get to showing you the second last bit, I think, of what we've got left. So, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. And let me get this out. Yay, it's doing it the easy way this time. I like easy ways. Alrighty, I think that's good for now. When you jump on and you feel you want to, you can share that out for me as well. Let people know where to come. Alright, so this pallet board, it has the family on the one side. I don't know if I'm in the right spot, because again, my thing isn't up. There we go. Too high. Come a little lower. So that is our family is not important. Not an important thing. It's everything. Which it truly is. Now on the other side, I did Love Never Fails. I think they're actually a really good two set that goes together. And you can flip it either way. If you wanted, you could put handles on the sides. Make it a little board, a platter. Then we have I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day. Is this one double? No. This one's only one-sided so far. I can do something on the other side if you would wish to make a not so Christmassy side on the other side. Say hello when you're coming in. Let me know where you're coming in from. We only have a few things today. Happy holidays. This one is also only one-sided. Peace on Earth. Again, only one side, but can put other things on the other side as you wish. These four are all the same board. So that's how that one works. Then we have a smaller board that's only one-sided. It's the same kind of board, it's just a smaller version. Brave and Strong. Again, only done on the one side, so if you want something on the other side, I can do it. And then, our last piece that I'm going to show you today is this board. It's not really a pallet board, but it's another wooden board, so we decided to do it together. I'll just see where that starts, and then I'll push it up. It's I love you, a bushel on the peck, and a hug around the neck. And push that up. Yay! Let's not push it all the way up. Should be okay there, I think. Again, this is just a quick video, so you can go back over the replay if you haven't seen everything here. And again, that is all I have for you today. I hope you like what you've seen. Go back and watch the replay if you've just jumped on. Thank you for coming on and seeing. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.